Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. So Diwali is almost here and with that a lot of festivals are also coming. And even if हम दिवाली parties में नहीं जाते, still we visit to our relatives' place to exchange sweets, gifts, etc. So the one thing that constantly pops up in our mind during this time is how to look our best, what to wear, what not to wear, how to look classy, elegant, and a number of things. So in today's video, I'm gonna solve all your problems by giving you few tips and pointers that you can easily follow. And also in the last, I'm gonna show you what to wear if you have nothing to wear. So without waiting, let's get into the video. Tip number 1, wear fitted and ironed clothes. So this tip is for those जिनको last minute में shopping करने का बहुत शौक होता है and उसके बाद फिटिंग कराने का टाइम नहीं बचता है. Please don't do this mistake. अभी भी बहुत टाइम है. Please go shop and properly उसकी फिटिंग कराइए, उसके बाद ही उसको पहनिए. सेकेंडली, अपने क्लोथ्स घर पे आयन मत करिए. प्लीज़ गो टू योर धोबी वाले भैया, उनको बोलो ढंग से आयन करने को. घर पे ट्राई मत करना बिकॉज उसके अंदर जो शाइन आती है क्लोथ की वो घर पे नहीं आ पाती है. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप बाहर जाके ही करवाएं. सो इट वुड बी मच बेटर. Tip number 2, try buying something in silk or chanderi. Now if you are someone who is very obsessed with Bollywood celebrities and you always feel like dressing up like them, so this tip is for you. Whenever you buy something for your festive days or any parties, functions, try buying something in silk or chanderi because these kind of clothes could really glow up your look from hair to hair, and believe me, you can easily wear them during your night functions or even when you visit to your relatives' place. टिप नंबर 3, ट्राई सम हेयर स्टाइल. सो हम अपने एक्सपेंसिव आउटफिट भी पहन लेते हैं एंड ज्वेल्स भी पहन लेते हैं, बट हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमारा हेयर स्टाइल भी काफ़ी ज़रूरी है हमारे पूरे लुक को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. सो डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक. आप अपने हेयर को कर्ल करें या स्ट्रेटन करें या कुछ भी डिफरेंट सा न्यू हेयर स्टाइल ट्राई करें. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनीथिंग लाइक व्हाट शुड आई ट्राई एंड समथिंग, सो आई विल शो यू 2-3 वेरी बेसिक हेयर स्टाइल जो आप बहुत ईजीली ट्राई कर सकते हैं. So firstly, do a side partition and then take one side of your hair and start twisting them. Now take rest of your hair and start making a side juda just like this and secure it with juda pins. Add some hair accessories and there you go, your hairstyle is ready. Now take a center partition and take one section of your hair and start twisting them. Do the same with other side as well. Now take the rest of your hair and before you make your juda, just make sure that you take some flakes out. Now make a normal juda as you usually make and secure them with juda pins. Your new hairstyle is ready. This one is quite simple yet elegant. Take the center partition and make a juda. Now take 2 flakes from the front side and secure rest of the hair with a hairpin. Do the same with other side as well. And you are ready. Now this tip is very important. So our tip number 4 is matching the jewels the right way. Now I have seen most of the people doing two kind of mistake. The first one is not matching the jewels the right way. That is, उनके necklace का base होगा golden and उनके earrings का base होगा silver. So this is very wrong. Don't do this type of mistake. For example, now if I take this necklace, I cannot match it with these earrings. Although they are same in color, but I cannot match them. But I can match them with these one or these one. Now the second mistake that most of the people does is not keeping a focus on the details. For example, I have this pink color skirt. Now I cannot match it with this my kurti with this skirt, because the work on this skirt is silver in color and the work on this kurti is golden in color. Also, I cannot match my skirt with these kind of necklaces because they are golden in color, but I can match it easily with this one since they have a silver base. Tip number 5 is carry a bag. Now the next tip is to carry a sling bag or a potli bag. But what's the reason why should we carry a bag? So the reason is it enhances our look, it gives an extra accessory to our look, and the third thing is you can easily put your cell phones inside the bag and you can easily move around. Now I have this golden color potli bag. The reason I get this color bag is because हमारे जो wedding के time होते हैं या फिर हमारे फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम होते हैं, हम यूजुअली सब गोल्डन टाइप ऑफ चीज़ें ही पहनते हैं. सो उसके साथ ये बहुत इजीली मैच हो जाएगा एंड सेकेंडली काफ़ी हैंडी है, काफ़ी छोटा सा है, तो इसलिए मैंने ये परचेज़ करा है. सेकेंडली अगर आपको स्लिंग बैग्स पसंद है सो ट्राई बाइंग द वन जिसके अंदर थोड़ा सा एथनिक वाला वर्क होता है जो आपको बहुत इजीली जनपद पे मिल जाएगा, एंड इफ़ नॉट जनपद तो आपको सरोजनी में तो मिल ही जाएगा. So now we are done with our basic tips. Now I'm gonna tell you what you can wear if you can't decide what to wear. So in my opinion, you can wear a white chicken curry kurta and just throw a colorful dupatta on it and just wear some matching jewels with it. Believe me, it never goes out of style. You can wear it on any occasions, any festive days or any function, whichever you want. And I guess each one of us have a chicken curry kurta. Even if you don't have, there is still time left. Please go and buy one. So that's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful to you. Please let me know in the comment section which point was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be coming with a lot of Diwali related content in the coming days, so make sure to subscribe my channel and like my video. Till then, stay tuned and happy styling.